Hello everyone, this is Pink Sister and Diamond Lady, and welcome to part 2 of our lemon drizzle cake, where we show you how to decorate your lemon drizzle cake. This is so lush. We love lemon drizzle cake, and most times when we want to celebrate an occasion or have a party or invite friends over, we make this lemon drizzle cake. And if it's a birthday party, we just stick a candle on top of it and it's just perfect and good to go. So you can also decide to make your lemon drizzle cake so that you could be having a slice whenever you're having a cuppa. We've got just a few ingredients just for the decorating, so watch out and we're going to give you the list. It's not too much of ingredients. So now for the ingredients, we've got jam, and we're going to add double cream, and we also have a lemon just for the lemon juice, and we're going to use icing sugar. So ensure that your cake has cooled down perfectly on a rack and ready for the decoration. And if you didn't bake in two separate tins, then you'll have to cut your cake into two separate sides, the top side and then the bottom side. We're going to set the top side on the side and we're going to work on the bottom side. And if you had two separate cakes, then just bring one on a plate or on whatever you set your cake on. We're going to spread the jam on the cake, and I usually spread my jam from the middle towards the ends as I don't want to face any difficulties. We just love baking. Pink Sister and I, Diamond Lady, we love doing a whole lot of things, and we don't mind sharing with the world what we usually do in our kitchen. This is yummy. I love jam as well, and it looks so delicious. This is how lovely the bottom side is looking. We'll set that on the side, and what we're going to do now is get our cream ready to add or ready to top our cake. So we're going to whisk the cream until it hardens up. Make sure that you don't over whisk the cream, as if you over whisk your cream, then you might have troubles using it. Whisk it as much as you can, and when it starts forming peaks, then know that that is enough. You don't have to overdo it. What we're going to do now is spread the cream on top of the jam as well. And with the spreading, we still start from the middle as well, as we don't want to have any troubles. Just as I told you, it's always best if you start spreading whatever you've got from the middle to the ends of it, and you don't get any troubles or any issues. It's up to you. You can also decide to use a piping bag, and that works perfectly as well. And if you don't have a piping bag, just get yourself a plastic bag and cut the ends and pop your cream in there and spread it all over your cake. That is easy as well. Once you're done putting the cream over the jam, get the top side of the cake, place it on top of it and position it well enough. And once you're done, grab yourself a fork and poke the top of the cake, ready to receive the drizzle. It's up to you. You can decide to leave it bare, or you can decide to use a toothpick to even poke the top of it. Once you're ready, just get your icing sugar and sieve the icing sugar. I only sieve the icing sugar because I don't want any lumpy icing sugar. I want it to be a very smooth icing sugar when I pour it on top of my cake. Now add the lemon juice to the icing sugar and mix it well to get a very smooth mixture, which will be easy just to pour on top of the cake. We just love lemon drizzle cake. It tastes so delicious. You can never beat the taste of a lemon drizzle cake. is so awesome. Now we're ready to drizzle the icing sugar on top of it. That is the mixture we made, and we drizzle it as much as we can. We want it to be so lovely and so lush. We want it to cover the top of the cake, and this is delicious. I am loving the look of this cake already, and it could be a birthday cake or it could be a special occasion cake. It's entirely up to you, whatever you decide to do. Once I'm done putting the liquid mixture on top, what I'm doing is making a bit of a snow looking top as well. So with the help of the sieve, I have just sprinkled some more icing sugar on top of it, and this is how lovely and how lush our lemon drizzle cake looks like. Thanks so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to be a subscriber. Come back again soon. Don't forget, you can always have a cuppa with a slice of cake. Why not? Enjoy it. Thank you.